Based on the latest NET and JEE syllabus and paper pattern, the books have a healthy mix of theory, MCQs, and learning techniques to help you prepare thoroughly for the competitive exams. Strengthen your conceptual knowledge with the precise theory given at the beginning of each chapter, and make note of all the important formulae. Solve more than 8,200 MCQs divided according to subtopics, including those from previous competitive exams. 177 numerical value type questions are also covered. Verify your answers with the answer key. Use the hints to tackle difficult questions. Then, assess yourself with the topic tests. Gear up with various tips and tricks to crack the exams with more than 10 learning tools. Get insights into the types of questions asked in the entrance exams with the latest Solved NET and JEE question papers. Scan the given QR codes using the Quill app to access even more benefits and learn on the go. Make learning absolutely simple with Target.